Hi, my name is Brian Hahn. I'm with Circuit Cycle and Sports in Millet, Alberta. Yeah, I'm here to talk to you about our new mug club. Yep, we are introducing a club where you get a mug. This mug, white, porcelain, round, empty. But the best part of it is it's got my logo on it. Yeah, it's a good logo. Made by a friend of mine, really good guy. Anyways, you get for $99 a year this mug mailed to you, plus you get one free bicycle tune-up a year. It's a value of $135. Plus, we'll give you 30% off all cycling accessories in the store as well as the ones advertised on our website. That's great value. Plus, you get this mug. It's an amazing mug, isn't it? You bring this mug down to Circuit Cycle, I'm going to fill it up with coffee. Not just any coffee. Canada coffee from Calgary. Yeah, I have to brag. I serve the best coffee in Calgary. Won't charge you a dime for it. Just bring your own mug. We'll sit down in our shop. You can look at our bicycles, wonder at this amazing business, and we'll talk politics. Yeah, we'll complain about politics. We'll talk bicycles, and we'll talk politics. And we'll talk bicycles. Yeah, you get my drift. Circuit Cycle Mug Club. Like us on Facebook. Find that link on Facebook. Click on it. We accept PayPal, American Express, MasterCard, and Visa. And you get this coffee cup.